Hey PG Country Cat, we're back with the next video of the BackCountry Cat project sled build. I'm standing next to the 2017 Mountain Cat 800 from Artie Cat. So we're going to be taking this machine that's already great in the backcountry, and we're going to be taking this machine to the next level. So as you can see, we got this machine out of the crate, we uncrated it, we got it fully set up, and what we're going to be doing now, we're going to be taking this machine and taking weight on this machine as you would pick it up from the dealership. So you're going to see what this machine would weigh in stock form. And when we're all done here with our project build in the next few weeks, we're going to be weighing the machine again, and you're going to be seeing the numbers for yourself of how much weight and the specs that this thing is going to change with this build. So here's the part where things get exciting. So we're going to tell you what we're going to be doing to this project sled that's going to be called the BackCountry Cat. So we're first going to start out with a Bikeman 940 kit on this machine. So Bikeman 940 kit, basically 940 cylinders, 940 pistons in the machine. You're going to get a different pipe, different silencer. You know, it's going to add some serious horsepower to this machine. So really excited about that. And with that, we're going to be cutting some weight. And we're going to be doing that with the Skins Protective Gear Helium kit. So what that's going to be doing, we're going to be getting rid of the headlight. We're going to be getting rid of the stock intake system. It's going to have its own intake system there. It also narrows the sled up. It narrows the nose up. So we're going to be saving some weight. It's going to be skinnying it up. So when we're side hilling and that type of thing, that it's going to perform really well. And we're also going to be adding the TKI belt drive down there. So that's going to save us some weight, you know, overall, but also rotational weight, which is really, really important for acceleration. And it's something that most of the top mountain riders are running. A few other things that we're going to be doing to this machine. We're going to be adding the Skins Protective Gear billet brake lever to this machine. We're also going to be doing the Skins Protective Gear Pro Tube running boards and the rear bumper on this machine as well. And then on the front, we're going to be doing CNA Pro BX, the Boondocking Extreme skis. Couldn't think of a better sled to be putting those Boondocking Extreme skis than the BackCountry Cat. Now, something that you might not have heard of that we're going to be doing in the machine, we're going to be doing some cryogenically treating of some of the parts on this machine. Now, cryogenically freezing, basically bringing parts down to 300 below, you know, that does a few things for it. The parts that you treat, they're going to dissipate heat better. They're going to relieve the stress and that type of thing in those parts. And then they're also going to be a better abrasion resistance on those parts. So like gears on the TKI kit, we're going to be doing those. It's going to be something really pretty cool. Not a lot of the snowmobile industry has seen this, so we're pretty excited to be putting it on this machine. So later this spring, we're going to be taking this thing out west when we get it totally redone. So we're going to be testing this thing, put it through the paces, and see how these products perform on the snow. At that same time, we're going to be testing the all-new Motor Fist gear, and we're going to be testing the 509 helmets and goggles as well. Appreciate those guys being on board with this backcountry project as well. So really excited. Stay tuned to when we start tearing into this thing. It's going to be a lot of fun, and can't wait to see the end product. Wow.